Welcome, small apartment investors, to the presentation on market trends in apartment investing. Understanding market trends is essential for success in apartment investing, as it allows investors to make data-driven decisions, identify emerging opportunities, and navigate risks effectively. By staying updated on current trends and forecasts, investors can optimize investment strategies, timing, and asset valuation to maximize returns. Regularly analyzing market dynamics supports well-informed decisions that align with market conditions and long-term goals. Key concepts in market trends analysis. The importance of market trends analysis in apartment investing. Informed investment strategy. Market trends analysis provides insights into property performance, demand patterns, and potential risks, allowing investors to align strategies with current conditions. Asset valuation. Monitoring trends such as rental rate growth and occupancy rates helps investors assess property value and evaluate the feasibility of acquisitions, sales, or refinancing. Risk management. Awareness of economic cycles, regulatory shifts, and local demand trends enables investors to mitigate risks by timing exits or pivoting strategies in response to changing conditions. Benefits of staying informed on market trends. Identifying emerging opportunities. Tracking trends allows investors to spot neighborhoods or submarkets with high growth potential, rising rental demand, or favorable economic indicators. Predicting demand shifts. Observing factors like population growth, employment rates, and lifestyle trends enables investors to anticipate shifts in tenant demand and adjust property amenities or pricing accordingly. Optimizing investment timing. Market trends help investors time acquisitions, sales, or refinancing by identifying favorable market conditions, such as low vacancy rates or rising property values. Supporting long-term planning. Staying updated on market cycles, interest rates, and economic indicators aids in formulating a strategy that maximizes profitability and aligns with overall portfolio goals. The role of market research and data analysis in understanding market dynamics is absolutely crucial. Analyzing local demographic and economic trends such as population growth, employment trends, and income levels within the target market helps investors get a clearer picture of tenant demographics and demand potential. Monitoring construction activity, absorption rates, and vacancy levels helps assess the supply-demand balance, which influences rental rates and property values. Reviewing trends in rent growth, occupancy rates, and tenant preferences supports accurate pricing strategies, competitive positioning, and financial projections. Tracking zoning changes, rent control regulations, and tax incentives ensures compliance and identifies policy shifts that may impact profitability. Analyzing rental growth and vacancy rates in an emerging neighborhood can help investors identify an area with high growth potential, supporting decisions to acquire or develop in the area.